In this video, we will learn how to calculate relative humidity and dew point. Relative humidity and dew point can be determined using three inputs: dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, and elevation. Dry bulb and wet bulb can be found using a sling psychrometer. This has two thermometers. The dry bulb measures the ambient air temperature. The wet bulb has a saturated wick, which measures the temperature of evaporation. You will also need belt weather kit tables. These can be found at the National Wildfire Coordination Group website or by searching NWCG temperature RH dew point tables. You can download the entire set or a specific table to suit your needs. Let's try an example. Let's say that you have a dry bulb temperature of 77 degrees, a wet bulb temperature of 50 degrees, and an elevation of 2,400 feet. First, you will need to find the appropriate table. The tables are divided into groups based on elevation. This group, marked in green, is for elevations between 1,901 and 3,900 feet. Now let's look at the table itself. On the top and down the right side, you have the wet bulb temperatures in green. On the left-hand side, you have your dry bulb temperatures. Those are in black. You can see a handy little guide on the side where dew point is in blue and RH is in red on the bottom. This will be true for each one of the boxes. All you need to do to determine your dew point and RH is cross-reference your dry bulb temperature and your wet bulb temperature. So if we have a dry bulb of 77 and a wet bulb of 50, we will have a dew point of 16 degrees and an RH of 10%. You simply follow the row from 77 over to the column with your wet bulb of 50. Let's try this one more time. Now let's say you have a dry bulb temperature of 105 degrees and a wet bulb temperature of 70. This time our elevation is 4,100 feet. The table for 4,100 feet is marked in yellow. This is for elevations between 3,901 and 6,100 feet. Next, we're going to find on the left-hand side our dry bulb temperature of 105 degrees. We will follow that row all the way across until we reach the column for our wet bulb temperature of 70. This gives us a value of dew point 53 and relative humidity of 18%. This concludes our two examples. We will now have some group exercises where you'll be trying this again.